Okay, so today I'll be showing you what to do with the extra turntable motor. Right, so this is a turntable motor from a microwave oven. Let's say you have plenty in this, and you don't know what to do with it. So one one of the good use of this, you can probably scrap it for the copper. Alright, and for the metal, as you can see, I already scrapped some, and this is the copper I get from it. Alright, so far I scrapped probably about 8. Right, so this is the metal, this is the copper, and these are the plastics with the gears. So I have a whole container. As you can see, I have a whole container full of this turntable motor. So I'll scrap this and see how much copper I will get to sell back and how much metal I will get. And I will take all those metal and copper, the money from it, and buy tools with it. Simple as that. So you want to have some extra money for tools. This is the perfect way of getting some extra money for tools. Recycling back the metal and the copper. Alright, so to open up one of this, right, here what you need to open up one of this, you need pliers, right, a cutter, a flathead screwdriver, and this wire cutter. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to just locate one. I'll start with this one. Alright, you press it down just enough to have a space in between to put a flathead screwdriver to raise this part up. Alright, so this part up. Alright, so the gears, take out the gears. And now this part has to come out. So you take the same flathead and you're raising this part out. And now you pull out the winding. And then you take the cutter, the galvanized cutter, and cut this side. The fastest way to take out the copper is to cut this and pull it out. The slowest way is to just burst one side and unwind it, and that will take forever. So the best thing is just to cut it like this. Alright, and pull it out like this. And there's that side. Then I cut this end. And then I pull out the copper, just like that. Alright, so I will pause the video see how much I will do, and then get back to you, right? Alright, so I scrapped 34 in this turntable motor, and this is all the iron have, and all the copper. Right, the copper, it weigh alter more than 1 pound. Right, now this is for sale, and the iron is for sale. Everything is recyclable, and plus it's for sale. Right, and then are the gears on in here. I have all the gears. That come from the motor. Then I have these things here. I'm not sure what it is, what it's called. Right, so 34 turntable motor, a pound and something copper. So I will sell these things, take the money, and use the money and buy tools. Why? Because everything is recyclable. Why buy tools out of my pocket when I can just buy tools from the recycled stuff? That makes a lot of sense. So thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.